Today I am going to show you how to create this beautiful Valentine's Day design. Open your browser and search for Bing Image Creator. Click on first link. You have to log in with Microsoft account. To create Microsoft account, check the video in description. Now type the prompt or copy the prompt from description. Watch till end to know how to edit in Photoshop. You can type your name instead of You+Me. Now click on Create and wait for a few seconds. Watch till end to know how to edit in Photoshop. I have added t-shirt mockup in description. You can use that for free. You can create again if there are some spelling mistakes, or download and edit in Photoshop. After downloading, add the design in Photoshop. Select the text part and paint with same color. Please like and subscribe the channel. Now you can add any text you want. Download this mockup from description.